We're in Clovis, California, getting finished with repairing this toilet. It's on the tank lid over there. I don't know exactly what model number it is, but this replacement flush valve assembly, which is the 1060218, and then we got a new bracket as well. They don't use these anymore. This used to be specific to the Cimarron, and at some point I think they just started in trouble with those. But anyways, that's the 1014065, the replacement bracket, and then of course there's a gasket underneath that was leaking. It's that guy right there. You can see all the scale in it. So when they would flush, water would just pour out, and that old nut was fused on there. We had to actually cut it to get it off of there, and then the rest of the parts are sitting in here. We did replace the fill valve. It's the only thing left in there that can be replaced, so we didn't want to leave you one more issue that could come up. Also, the water connector, brand new, coming from the wall up to the tank. And I think that's it for new parts. Oh, the handle. We did replace the handle. It was starting to stick, so this guy, when it's sitting here in the tank, when you lift it right there, it sticks. And probably the chain and the weight of the water on top of the flapper would pull it back down, but it's not supposed to stick. So anyways, this is specific to that toilet. This is a Cimarron handle, which you can see that guy and that guy almost identical, but right now flush valve replaced, got a new flapper that came with it. New fill valve, it's filling correctly, shutting off correctly. Sounds like it's flushing correctly, because you can hear that big dump at the beginning. It just takes a little bit of water and pushes it through. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.